Hi, I'm Arabella.
And I'm Ellie.
And we're Weekendcreative.
We're a two-partner team who decided to combine our photography and art direction talents to take on different challenging photography projects.
We specialize in creative brand photography and stop motion and have a focus on developing unique and playful concepts.
We believe that strong images are essential to capturing an audience and building a strong relationship with customers, and have learned and used various photography tools to help us get there.
In this course, we'll be giving you a peek at how we achieve our product photography style by using pieces given to us by Moodelier, a brand that provides a solution for creatives wanting to find unique objects to incorporate into their product photography.
We'll show you how we style them using the Capture One software, specifically using Capture One's tethering capabilities and live view feature to present products in a visually striking way.
We'll be taking a dive into our product photography workflow from initial conception, the shoot, to the final edited product.
By the end of this course, you'll have a better understanding of our product photography workflow,
learn how to concept a shoot,
learn how to start up Capture One, make a session, and use Capture One's tethering capabilities and live view feature to set up a scene,
learn how to incorporate Moodelier pieces into your shoots to create more dynamic photographs,
and learn about our editing workflow within Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop.
This course is aimed at creatives who are looking to learn new photography techniques, from thoughtful planning, pairing products with Moodelier pieces, and using new software tools to give you an upper hand in the creative field of product photography.